Welcome! In this tutorial, you're going to discover Devialet Mania and its accessories. Start by opening the box from the top by cutting off the tamper evidence sticker. Remove the sleeve with the user notice and the cardboard underneath. Remove the speaker from its bag and place it on a flat surface. Press the on-off button to wake up Devialet Mania. Press and hold the Bluetooth button until the indicator light above the play-pause button flashes blue. Then go to the settings of your smartphone and select Devialet Mania. You are at home? Connect Devialet Mania to your Wi-Fi network by downloading the Devialet app and following the steps. Enjoy the highest audio quality, the latest product updates, and much more. To find out the battery level, go to the Devialet app or press the Devialet button on the product. The battery status is given by the indicator lights located under the minus button. When Devialet Mania is out of battery, connect the power cable to the product and to the power supply. If you own the charging Devialet Mania station, plug the power cable and place the product on the top of it. Let's play!